And this storm is just days away, but for people who work on our homes, preps are well underway. NBC Connecticut reporter Andrew Rowan is live in West Hartford. And Andrew, we're talking about landscapers here, right?
Yeah, Amber, they've been busy with their shovels clearing sidewalks in neighborhoods like this from last night's snow. They say what's coming is kind of like the Super Bowl, the latest in a cold winter that's kept their business hot. The rush at Payne Enterprises in Newington is already underway.
Today I've loaded about 100 to 150 trucks already.
And it's only 11 a.m.?
And it's only 11 a.m., yes.
Landscapers like Lawn and Order's Ricky Beltran are getting loaded up.
The last few years kind of been a dud, so this year we're definitely excited.
It's been a busy winter at the salt pile, which has led some suppliers to face shortages. The Paynes here have been set, working to keep up with demand.
December was very active. Even though there wasn't a lot of snow, there was a lot of salting going on. There was, dustings, and the contractors try to melt those off because they can't plow them.
That will not be the case this weekend, and landscapers aren't wasting a grain of time. What's the difference between a 10-inch storm and a 20-inch storm for you?
A lot. Stuff starts to break and snow gets heavy at that amount, but I mean, I try not to freak out. I know I'm prepped for it. My guys are awesome.
It's not just salt preps that are underway. Home heating oil companies are busy too.
It's been one of the most busier years that we've experienced in the last 5 years.
Tower Energy's propane storage tanks are half empty.
That service man out there?
Calls for home heating oil service are through the roof. The company is trying to handle as many as they can before the bitter cold and snow.
Keeping us busy and able to take care of our customers and run more hours. Obviously we want to keep our people rested as well, but take care of our customers the best that we can.
When winter turns up the heat, these crews make sure the rest of us don't get left in the cold. An interesting tidbit I learned today, Amber, the smaller plow trucks that the landscapers use, they need all the salt at the beginning of the storm just to weigh down the truck because you don't want them spinning around just as they're trying to clear all those inches that are headed our way. Amber, back to you.
And we need all the help we can get with all this snow, Andrew. Thank you. And